All right, we're back. Let's talk about using digital ads to market dental implants. Using ads to target potential dental implant patients is a great idea. In fact, outside of general dentistry, right now, dental implants is the most searched term on Google. Because of that volume, you can generally create a predictable result. However, a successful campaign is less about matching the ad's copy to the person searching, more about their experience on your website. So here's a couple thoughts to keep in mind when running a profitable campaign. Number one, build a microsite. It won't be enough to send searching patients to an internal page of your website with a bit of information about dental implants. You need to develop a microsite or a landing page that's educational in its approach with plenty of relevant CTAs or call to actions. The page needs to be consistent with your brand. It needs to represent an authentic version of the experience that they can expect from your practice. Remember, patients don't like walking into surprises. So custom photography is a must and will pay dividends in building trust with patients that you've never met. As a side benefit, if built right, the landing page will also generate its own SEO value with Google. So now if somebody searches dental implants, they'll see your ad, but hopefully eventually they'll see your organic listing as well as it scores higher. All right. Number two, it establishes expertise. If patients are searching for dental implants, often it's because they're trying to learn about them. And so you can easily establish yourself as the expert by providing answers. Make sure your site is educational, it's authoritative, it's assertive in answering the most common asked questions. Use statistics, charts, conceptual videos, patient testimonials to tell the story why you are the clear choice. See what I did there? In their area, all right? Number three, use video. Look, nothing establishes connection and communicates trust more in the digital space than video. Patients want to get to know the doctor and the team that could potentially be taking care of them. Currently, I estimate that 60 to 75% of dental implant patients are up for grabs through online searches. When it comes down to following through with a referral from their GP or the kind educational doctor online whose videos they've watched, more often than not, they'll choose the video connection. As an added bonus, video scores well with Google, giving your microsite extra added SEO value. It also increases the overall duration of the visit. The longer the person stays on the page, the higher the conversion rate. It all starts working together. So, using digital ads to target dental implant searches is a really great play for many practices. And while specialty services have their own unique ranges for acquisition costs, which I would be happy to discuss with you, it could get as high as $800 to even $1,000 to acquire an implant patient. Most of the time that's still profitable because production increases significantly with higher value services. So even if you invested $2,500 a month into a Google campaign, which is $30,000 for the year, and only saw 2 implant cases per month, how much production would that generate? 24 implants at $4,000 per patient would be $96,000 for the year. But we all know many implant cases turn into more treatment or multiple implants, so we could conservatively assign $6,000 production per patient or $144,000 for the year. And so it's obvious how even a low returning campaign can still generate significant ROI.